got your window up. You may just be dying off. The leftovers of the rotation.
I don't know. That looks pretty. That does look pretty good. All right.
All right. I just wanted to check this out.
Yeah.
Got a large tornado to our east. Large tornado forming. Oh, look at it.
Oh yeah, there it is coming down. Do you guys see it?
Yep, yes, right there.
Oh my god.
That one's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's going this way.
Where is it?
No, it's going to our right.
Okay, it's going.
It looks like it's coming at us.
It's not coming at us, don't worry.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh my god!
Beautiful.
That's the most incredible tornado.
Hey, you get pictures, I'll get video.
Oh my god.
Mike, turn and stand that way.
It's not focused.
Take it quick.
Okay. It was all.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe
Oh my god, that's a monster. Mike, turn around.
Okay, let me get pictures with this one. Here.
Oh my goodness. That's the prettiest tornado I've ever seen in my life.
So this one I like. I didn't like. Oh, there's. Did you see the debris?
Yeah, it's right there.
This one's nicer than.
Roger, when you get out of here, what?
It looks like it's falling apart.
Oh my goodness.
So tell me if we're gonna move on.
Are you getting out?
Yes. You get pictures. We'll trade.
Okay, zoom in on the film or the debris cloud if you can.
Got it. Just watch these cars here.
It's a rope, but man, it's
like, yeah, just stay here for a little bit.